Struggling to make exciting lunchboxes for kids? Today I'm sharing 4 simple vegan chapati variations that are soft, nutritious and absolutely kid approved. No dairy, no eggs, just wholesome plant-based goodness. These are quick to make, healthy, dairy-free and great for lunchboxes too. Let's start with the soft chapati dough. Soft dough is the key for kid-friendly chapatis. Whole wheat flour or atta, specially for chapati. Some salts for taste. Vegetable oil, important for softness. Ambient or warm water. Add enough water to get a slightly soft dough. Knead for 2 to 3 minutes to make dough softer. Coat with some oil to keep the dough from drying out. Resting the dough is very important to get soft, fluffy chapatis, especially for kids. Then break the dough and shape into small dough balls. Variation 1. Soft plain paratha. First, a very simple plain Punjabi style paratha. Roll out chapati dough ball. Spread 1 tablespoon vegan butter or ghee. Fold the edges into a square shape. Roll out gently into a slightly thick paratha. Cook on both sides until brown spots appear. Spread a little butter or ghee on one side. Perfect for picky eaters because of the soft texture and great aroma from butter or ghee. This plain paratha can be eaten by itself or with some dal and vegetable side dish. Variation 2. Plain paratha with brown sugar. This one is always a hit with my kids. Spread some butter or ghee on the rolled dough. Sprinkle some brown sugar. That's it. Fold and seal. Cook until slightly crispy outside. Melty inside, mild sweet taste, soft outside. Kids simply love this. Variation 3. Raisin and Almond Paratha. A great way to sneak in healthy nuts. Sprinkle some finely chopped almonds. Top up with some roughly chopped raisins. Fold into a square. Roll and cook. nutty and sweet, and full of nutrients for growing kids. Variation 4. Flaxseed Paratha, a naturally healthy treat that sneaks in plant-based omega-3 fatty acids. Roll out dough. Spread some butter or ghee. Sprinkle some ground flax seeds. Fold into a square and roll out. The ground flax seeds could also be mixed with the dough and rolled out. Cook on low heat until light brown. Spread some butter or ghee on top. Soft, slightly nutty, rich with essential omega-3 for healthy kids. Cooking tips. Keep the flame medium to ensure soft parathas. Avoid overcooking or burning to keep them kid-friendly. Cover after cooking to retain moisture. Soft texture is key when cooking for kids. These vegan chapati variations are simple, healthy and perfect for growing kids. You don't need any dairy or eggs to make delicious, satisfying meals. Try this and tell me which one your kids loved the most. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy vegan recipes. And let me know in the comments below. Would you like more kid-friendly recipes?